In the showroom glow, the Aurora caliber awakens and the cabin sighs with a refined vibration that promises silken speed. As the doors close, the engine reveals its philosophy, a meld of precision and restraint that speaks softly yet carries authority. The vehicle contemplates its powertrain, noting how turbocharged breath and quiet torque shape a ride that feels like poetry. It recalls wind tunnel nights and titanium pistons, while the driver senses a dialogue where technology honors elegance. Together they glide toward horizons where craftsmanship and performance fuse into a single refined heartbeat, inviting connoisseurs to listen.